Hello everybody, I am Klaus, bringing you tech news from around the world. Have you ever wished that you could buy a console that can do everything? Microsoft has already thought of the same thing. Project Oris sees Microsoft transforming their console into an 8K laser projector / infotainment system with audiophile 3D speaker system. Yeah, mind blowing. The 8K laser projector is rated at 2,500 lumens with a lamp life visualized at 23,000 hours. The Galaxy Fold stole a lot of hearts, and this year Samsung's gonna release the Galaxy Fold 2. Yeah baby, if one is not enough, get two. Galaxy Fold 2 is set to have 3 displays, a 6.3 inch display, an 8 inch display, and a tiny notification display on the side. The phone is also rumored to have a triple camera array. Can't wait to see it, cause damn, it ain't gonna be cheap. DJI dropped the new drone, the MAVIC Air 2. At $799, this drone is a beast. It can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 240, and can do hyperlapse at 8K, shoot 48 megapixels stills with a flight time of 34 minutes per charge. Beast! According to a patent submitted to the USPTO, iMessage users might be getting an update that will allow them to edit set messages. At the moment, there's no information on when this feature will be available to iMessage users, but pretty sweet. Another patent popped up. This one was submitted by Samsung to the WIPO, and the patent shows the Samsung's Z Flip or Z Flip with a triple camera array in 2 versions. Who would have guessed it? The world's smallest Windows 10 PC is the size of an A4. The Luckbox is from the Chinese company called Chowi, and it's equipped with the Celeron N4 100 processor, which is about 3 times faster than the Atom Z8350. It packs 6 gigabytes of LPDDR4 RAM and 128 gigs of ROM. It's ahead of its class in terms of connectivity. It has 2 USB Type A, 1 USB Type C, an HDMI port, a micro SD slot, and a 3.5mm jack, plus support for Wi-Fi 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 5.0 at only $250. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, cheers.